Hello, my name is Tony Quintera. I'm the Director of Network Services here at Calumet College of St. Joseph. I'm also the Blackboard Administrator. The purpose of this video is to show you how to quickly add a Zoom meeting to your Blackboard course. So the first thing we're going to do is go into our course, and then we need to make sure that edit mode is on. So mine isn't, so I will turn it on now. Then this next part is optional, but I would like to create a Zoom content area right here on the screen. And to do that, we're going to hover over the little plus, and then we're going to select content area. I'm going to name it Zoom, but you can name it whatever you like. And it's important to check available to users, otherwise your students will not see the link. So now that we have this new Zoom content area, I'm going to click in there. And to create the meeting, we hover over Tools, and then we'll select Zoom Meeting. And then we can name this anything we like. Now, if you want it to be available only between certain dates and times, you can use these controls down here. But for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to leave that blank. It will always be available to students. And we don't have to fill anything else in, so I'm just going to hit Submit. Now that we have our placeholder for the meeting, we can go ahead and create the actual Zoom meeting. So we're going to click in that, and all you need to do is hit Schedule a Meeting, and this pulls the information in from Blackboard so it knows the name of our course. All we really have to do is give it a date and time. So I'm going to say Monday the 23rd at 9 a.m. and we'll do a 3-hour duration. If you want the students to see your video, you would check Host on, and if you want to see your students' video, you can select Participant on for video. For audio, I suggest leaving both selected. That way students who do not have access to a computer microphone can call in and everybody can hear each other. The only other thing I would stress checking is record the meeting automatically, and then make sure in the cloud is selected. That way, after your meeting is completed, a link to the recording will be sent to you so that people who are not participating live can see the lecture. So after that, we'll just click Save. Then on this screen we have quick links so that the meeting can be added to your or your student's calendar. And that's pretty much it. So when you actually want to start the meeting, when it is that time, you'll just go into your course, under Zoom, we'll click the meeting we created, and then all you have to do is click Start. And at that point, all the other participants can join the meeting and you can begin your course. So again, my name is Tony Quintera. I'm the Director of Network Services and the Blackboard Administrator. If you have any questions, you can contact the help desk at helpdesk@ccsj.edu. Thank you.